Is it the right time to make a decision on Meta stock? In this video, we're going to take a deep dive into Meta. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, February 5, 2024, and now we're excited to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's essential to stay informed about any significant updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4. Visit StockInvest.us to leverage the power of AI and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since December 7, 2023, our system has identified Meta as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.13. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 40.67% since we first listed Meta as a buy candidate 40 days ago. This translates to an average return of 1.02% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in an upward trend, offering a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders. It is expected to react back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks the top trend line at $476.47, it may indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a possibility of a 23.39% change in the stock's value over the next 3 months. This could result in a return ranging from 1.17% to 27.97%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected 70.73% change in the stock's value over the next year. This translates to a potential return between 27.08% and 76.81%. So, the stock's price could range from $583.82 to $812.29 after a year. In our latest update for Meta, we have some interesting news. The headline reads, Stronger Technical Forecast for Meta Stock Price After Monday Trading. On Monday, the 5th of February 2024, the Meta stock price experienced a decline of -3.28%. It went from $474.99 to $459.41. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $459.22 and a high of $471.76, showing a 2.73% variation. Notably, the stock has been on the rise in 7 out of the last 10 days, with a 20.33% increase over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume decreased alongside the stock, which can be seen as a positive sign as volume should follow the stock. Specifically, the trading volume dropped by -44 million shares on the last day, with a total of 40 million shares being bought and sold for approximately $18.57 billion. Let's take a look at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks. The highest price reached was $485.96, while the lowest was $167.66. Currently, the price is 5.46% or $26.55 below the 52-week high of $485.96. It's worth noting that this is also the all-time high for the stock. Welcome to today's video on analyst ratings. On Friday, February 2, 2024, KeyBank gave Meta an overweight grade with a hold action. Moving on to Wednesday, January 31, 2024, it was reported that Needham gave Meta a buy grade with a hold action. Also on Wednesday, January 31, 2024, JMP Securities gave Meta a market outperform grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, January 30, 2024, UBS gave Meta an overweight grade with a hold action. Lastly, on Tuesday, January 30, 2024, Mizuho Securities gave Meta an overweight grade with a hold action. Stay tuned for more updates on analyst ratings and their impact on the market. Analysts have given Meta stock a strong buy rating overall. They consider the PE ratio and price to book as strong buy. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts also give the stock a strong buy rating. In this video, we will discuss the signals identified for Meta stock. The Meta stock currently shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. If the stock experiences a correction and moves downward, it will find support at the levels of $416.36 and $372.18. However, a breakdown below these levels will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, there is also a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near short-term development of the stock. Recently, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, February 2, 2024, resulting in a decline of -3.28% so far. It is anticipated that the stock will continue to fall until a new bottom pivot is identified. It's worth noting that the volume of trading decreased alongside the price during the last trading day. This reduction in volume reduces the overall risk as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicator shows a buy signal. Pivots indicate a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands show a buy signal 2 days ago. The short-term moving average signals a buy 3 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy 41 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can see that the short moving average gave a buy signal 40 days ago. The long-term moving average also gave a buy signal 68 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. Let's talk about support levels for Meta. Currently, there are 2 key support levels just below today's level. The first support level is at $394.78, while the second one is at $390.14. Support levels are important because they indicate a price level at which the stock has historically found buying interest, which could potentially prevent further declines. However, it's important to note that if the current support level is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level at $390.14 and $370.47. It's worth mentioning that Meta is considered a high-risk stock due to its volatility. Volatility refers to the magnitude of price fluctuations. This stock has a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, indicating potential significant price movements. In the last day, the stock had a price range of $12.54, or 2.73% of its value. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 3.28%. Before we discuss the potential good trading levels for Meta, let's first go over some important fundamental data. One crucial metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Meta's PE ratio falls within the normal range, which is often observed in businesses with established track records or predictable revenues. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q1 2024 is scheduled to be released on April 24, 2024. Today, let's delve into some potential day trading levels for Meta. If we see an upward trend, the first resistance level for Meta sits at $474.99. If you're not yet invested, it may be wise to wait until this level is surpassed before entering a position. However, for those who already hold the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the other hand, if Meta faces a downward trend, its initial support level stands at $394.78. Should this support level hold, it could present a favorable entry point, with the expectation of a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Meta has received a strong buy rating on average. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On January 30, 2024, Jennifer Newstead, a company insider, sold 566 shares of Class A common stock. On January 31, 2024, Mark Zuckerberg, another company insider, sold 4,800 shares of Class B common stock. On January 31, 2024, Mark Zuckerberg sold 11,976 shares of Class B common stock. On January 31, 2024, Mark Zuckerberg also sold 100 shares of Class A common stock. Lastly, on January 31, 2024, Mark Zuckerberg sold 255 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is calculated to be negative at -35.132. In total, insiders bought 158,942 shares and sold 333,282 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $438.16, which represents a decrease of 4.63%. This particular stock experiences substantial daily movements, leading to higher risk. The RSI 14 indicator currently stands at 81, further increasing the risk involved. Additionally, a sell signal was triggered by a recent pivot top discovered just 1 day ago. Is Meta stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, we believe that Meta stock presents a buying opportunity in the short term. We have upgraded our evaluation from a hold/accumulate to a buy candidate. Furthermore, our systems indicate that the current price of Meta stock is undervalued, considering the recent volatility and movements. Looking ahead to Tuesday, February 6, we anticipate that Meta will open up with a gain of $4.05, starting trading at $463.46. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Please remember that StockInvest.us is not a reliable source for making investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our channel, Stock Invest. Today, we want to share our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so please feel free to comment below and share your thoughts. We're also curious about your target for the stock. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. Our team wishes you successful trading and a truly beautiful day.